Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the default avatar clothing on Roblox. So you'll need to go to the browser version. If you're on profile, just select avatar here. And then you'll just need to unclick the clothing. So I'm going to go to the clothing section here. And I'm just going to untick the items that we have here. Let's go to the clothing here and remove that. Let's go to shoes as well and remove that too. Then to change the color, I guess you can just go to head and body and then go to skin tone. And here is where you can change the outfit to your skin tone. But I'm not going to show further than that. You can just try it out yourself. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.